Any item that you buy, uh, in the production of the item, in the disposal, for many of the items during the usage, there is a lot of carbon dioxide produced. And we all know that carbon dioxide is the major cause of global warming.
So each time you purchase a book or any other item for that matter, you're contributing to carbon dioxide emissions. The Indian paper industry itself is responsible for 2 million tons of CO2 emissions per year, which is why Mugdha, an avid book lover, decided to join Social Way. Social Way is a web community that gets you to cut down on your CO2 emissions by getting you to share, borrow or lend a book, a DVD, tools, pretty much anything, and thereby cut down on your CO2 emissions by not buying.
That is how Social Way came about. It's the Earth's largest library. Okay, it's on the internet, and the goal is to also save the earth. Anybody can lend and borrow things, and the magic is really that Social Way does not own any of the things.
So on Social Way, since I can record both for Social Way users and non-Social Way users that yes, this item is lent out, there's no way I can forget and therefore lose my item or forget to return it.
It's quite simple really, and I decided to try it out. All I had to do was register on Social Way. That done, I found something which I had wanted to read for a long time. And I sent in a request to Neeta. We decided on a day and time convenient to both of us, and I went and collected the book. And by doing so, I saved 8 kilograms of CO2 from being emitted. How did that happen?
For every user, we actually track how much carbon dioxide they have saved through the usage, and we show it as a Social Way root print. It's like a simple to understand measure, which shows how much trees you have grown, by saving that much carbon dioxide.
The Social Way root print not just tells you the number of trees that would absorb the emissions that you saved, but also gives you various levels based on the number of Social Way trees you have grown. This model was developed by the Carnegie Mellon University Green Design Institute. Neeta used this model to calculate the emissions for each kind of consumer good that could be shared on Social Way. And while I'm still a sapling, there are 1,500 users who have brought down the CO2 emissions in a big way the Social Way.
The whole site has, it's being actively used only for the last 3 months. It's already saved some 4 tons of CO2.
I've always wanted to read this book for the longest time, and now thanks to Social Way, I not only get to save money, but also not feel guilty about leaving my carbon footprint on this earth. Now that's what I call green socializing. In Bangalore, Priyanjana Datta.